Welcome to Timemo Pro Global Limited, and we bring to you automobile air conditioning tips. And this video is for vehicle owners, drivers, fleet managers, etc. And today I'm going to speak on the topic compressor noise means early inspection. If you turn on your car AC and you hear any noise coming from the compressor, that is simply indication that it needs inspection and it should not be ignored. A strange sound coming from your automobile AC compressor should never be ignored, especially when it is grinding noise, rattling, or squeezing noise often indicate some of these problems, if not one or two that I'm about to list it out. And number one is a worn compressor bearing. If your compressor bearing is worn out, when you turn on your AC, you hear some unusual noise, some strange noise. And number two, loose or worn out AC clutch. Don't forget, most especially for the manual compressor, it is what makes the compressor to compress is the electrical part of it, which is a clutch and coil. So if the clutch engage, your compressor will start running. So this noise could come from a worn out or a loose clutch or AC. And number three is low refrigerant or low oil. Yes, it's very bad, or it might quickly damage your compressor if it is low on oil or low on refrigerant, most especially if that system is not installed with low pressure switch, which is a safety device to your compressor. And number four is internal compressor damage. Yes, the compressor might be damaged internally. The reason why when you turn on your AC, you hear those strange sound, that strange noise. And number five is misaligned or worn drive belt. So once in a while you need to inspect your belt, check for cracks. It could be worn out, it could be the issue causing the squeezing noise anytime you turn on your AC. And I want us to notice that early inspection can prevent a complete compressor failure, which is usually much more expensive to repair. Compressor is the heart of the refrigerant system, so when it's down, it's down. And if the system is blacked, that means you are going to replace the entire air conditioning part. And black tape is always coming from your compressor, most especially when you start losing refrigerant, when you start having leakages in the system and you keep going around to top up. So if you hear these few sounds that I've just mentioned anytime you turn on your AC, please kindly stop by for your AC technician to have a look before it will end you at expensive repairs. Kindly share this video, follow us for more automobile air conditioning tips. Remember, knowledge saves costs. See you tomorrow.